Like a bread toast is incomplete without butter. Like bhatura is incomplete without chole. Like dosa is incomplete without sambar. Similarly, any biryani is incomplete without biryani gravy, that is shorba or salad. So let's see how it's made. First we are going to take about 2 tablespoons of raw peanut in a pan and roast it. The flame should be between low to medium. A sign that your peanuts are well roasted is that the skin will start to come off. Now that your peanuts are roasted, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. Keep on stirring because sesame has a tendency to get burnt very easily. We need to roast this till it gets lightly browned. Next we add in about 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. If you don't have desiccated coconut, you can also use 2 tablespoons of chopped dry coconut, what we call gari in Hindi. The ratio of peanuts, sesame and coconut over here has to be same no matter what quantity of salan you are making. We are going to roast this coconut till it is slightly brown. Once the mixture is nicely roasted, turn the gas off, set it aside and let it cool. Now in the same pan we are going to heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we are going to add half a teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 2 dried red chilies and 1 bay leaf. Saute them for a minute and then we are going to add 1 onion cut into slices. Cook the onion for a minute or 2. We don't want to brown the onions, just cook till they become soft. Then we are going to add 1 tomato, again cut into slices. You can speed up the process of your cooking by adding a little salt over here. But I am not doing it right now and I am letting the tomatoes cook at their own speed. You need to cook the tomatoes till they turn mushy, and once it's done, just turn off the gas, set this mixture aside and let it cool at room temperature. And now we will be making a paste. So in a grinder, put the cool down roasted peanut mixture followed by the cooked onion and tomato masala. Keep adding water at intervals and then grind this into a paste. The final paste looks something like this. You can see that its consistency is quite thick and this is how you should make your paste. So keep on adding water as required in between and at the end you should get something like this. Now that your paste is ready, it's time to cook it. So in the same pan, I'm going to heat about 1.5 tablespoon of ghee or oil. I'm using the same pan again and again because A, it retains a lot of flavor of the ingredients that we cooked in it before, and second, one less utensil equals to saving some more water for our future generations. So I always try and use the same utensils wherever possible. Once the ghee melts, we are going to add about half a teaspoon of hing and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook this till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away. Then we add some cumin and roast that also along with the ginger garlic paste. Then finally we are going to pour the ground paste that we made earlier and then cook this for about a minute or 2. Now we will be mixing some spices like half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder and jeera powder or cumin powder. Then add some salt as per your taste. Mix the spices with the paste well and then we are going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Your flame should be on medium. Now we are going to add about half a cup of water. I am pouring the water from the grinder itself so that any remaining paste also gets assimilated in the gravy. Mix everything well and now we are again going to cook this for 3 to 4 minutes till the paste starts to leave some oil. Now that your paste is cooked well, we are going to add some water as per the required consistency of the gravy that you need. At this stage you can check the salt and adjust the seasoning if required, and then we are going to cover and cook this on medium flame for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you will notice that the curry is bubbling vigorously and has reduced a little bit. So this means that your salan curry is ready. Time to serve it in a bowl. And then we'll garnish by sprinkling some kasuri methi on top and placing a pile of fried onions at the center. Then pour some rogan on top, completely optional, and your salan is ready. Serve it along with your favorite biryani and relish it with your family. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting recipes.